In this video, I will show you how to change name in Coffee Meets Bagel. When you sign up for Coffee Meets Bagel, you will be asked to enter your name. It is important to note that you can't change it later. The app will even show you a warning, reminding you to make sure your name is real and correctly spelled before moving forward. Before you continue to the next step, a confirmation pop-up appears. It will ask you to double-check the spelling since once you confirm, the name is locked permanently. At this stage, you can still go back, edit the name, and fix any typos. Once you're sure everything's correct, tap Confirm. After that, your name is saved and there's no option to change it again inside the app. And that's how you change name in Coffee Meets Bagel.